We want to tell Murang'a people to stay calm. We are consulting on that issue. We also urge our competitors to talk to the voters. It is the voters who make a decision. They should not use fake tactics to block our clearances. We also want to assure our supporters that we are looking at that issue. We still have a lot of time legally, today or even tomorrow, the time set by law, and therefore technically we are consulting, but we are telling our supporters not to stay calm, that we are still on course, and most importantly also our competitors. It is a shame that they are aiming their guns on my deputy. She is a very competent lady. She worked at the University of Nairobi for so many years, and to them, they should await the verdict of Murang'a people August 9, 2022, instead of aiming their attacks on the Dr. Winnie. Yeah, you know, it is, for me, those are illegal, immoral tactics, aiming at blocking us. This is part of the government's effort to veto our ticket, but UDA will remain strong. Yeah, despite the tribulations where they met, our competitors met, they hired a lawyer, they started now coming up with fake allegations against my deputy governor, and how I wish those allegations were leveled against me. Yeah, they are being leveled against my deputy, and she's just a woman, and she has done nothing wrong. She has done nothing wrong. And in fact, for me, we are very proud that she has worked at the premier most university. Yeah, and the allegations they are making has nothing to do with her integrity. It's an issue of when did she resign. Yeah, we have evidence she resigned on time, but they are still making unfounded allegations concerning the date of resignation. But come what may, we shall be on the ballot, sure, and the people of Murang'a will support UDA. Yes.